In the U.S., a federal appeals court has halted Biden administration's vaccine mandate, highlighting constitutional concerns over the president's vaccine mandate. The measure intends to push millions of workers into getting COVID-19 shots. The mandate requires workers at U.S. companies with at least 100 employees be vaccinated against COVID-19 or be tested weekly. The ruling from the Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit cited grave statutory and constitutional issues with the rule. Numerous Republican-led states had filed legal challenges against the new rule, which is set to take effect on January 4. Petitioners include 5 strongly Republican states of Texas, Louisiana, South Carolina, Utah, and Mississippi, as well as several private companies and religious groups. The court has ordered the government to reply to the motion by Monday. Texas Governor Greg Abbott applauded the decision in a post on Twitter. He said emergency hearings will take place soon and we will have our day in court to strike down Biden's unconstitutional abuse of authority. Abbott is a conservative Republican who has opposed mask and vaccine mandates. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton was among those filing suit to block the Biden mandate. He said that the president had exceeded his authority and that he will never stop resisting this administration's unconstitutional overreach. 2 days back, Biden's government set January 4 as the deadline for large companies to mandate vaccination. The new rule is expected to cover 84 million workers, roughly 31 million of whom are unvaccinated. The administration said the rule would take effect or will affect more than 2/3 of the country's workforce. An average of about 1,100 Americans are dying daily from COVID-19. Most of them were unvaccinated. COVID-19 has killed roughly 750,000 people in the United States. Vaccine mandates have a long history in the U.S., but those were generally issued by cities or states. The issue here is the constitutionality of a U.S. president issuing such a sweeping nationwide mandate. If upheld, the suspension would represent a stunning setback to a far-reaching effort in securing widespread immunization.